Are you feeling exhausted lately? How do you know it's not something deeper, like a hormonal imbalance? Hey everyone, my name's Mariah Butcher and I'm one of the Rejuvime Medical providers in Baton Rouge. Fatigue from a busy lifestyle is normal and it's often temporary. But hormonal imbalances like low testosterone and estrogen cause a type of exhaustion that you just cannot get through. Other signs of hormonal imbalances include weight change, mood swings, and even a drop in your libido. These symptoms often persist because your body is not performing at its best. But here's the good news, this is treatable. At Rejuvime Medical, we run comprehensive panels to help identify the root cause of your hormonal imbalances. Once we have all of the information we need, we create a personalized treatment plan just for you. With the right balance, you'll not only feel more rested, but you'll have more energy and vitality to take on your day. If you've been asking yourself, why am I always so tired? It's time to come to Rejuvime Medical and figure out why.